9 o'clock, so we'll go on the record. This is the time and place set for public hearings regarding the sale of tobacco products to minors pursuant to Fargo Municipal Code, Chapter 35. These are non-criminal proceedings in which the city has the burden to prove the allegation beyond a preponderance or by a preponderance of the evidence. This is a public hearing, meaning that anyone present may comment regarding any of the matters here today. At the conclusion of the hearing, I'll make an oral finding today and follow that up with written findings of fact, conclusion of law, and an order regarding today's hearing. Any order issued by the court shall be appealable as allowed by law. So we only have one matter scheduled for today, Casey's General Store. You're from Casey's?
Yes, sir.
So you can just step right up here. And you can just have a seat right at the table there.
Okay.
And your name?
Karen Burbank.
And what is your position with Casey's General Store?
I'm an area supervisor.
So in the court's file, I have been provided with a notice of the hearing. The date of the notice is December 5th. Excuse me, December 5th, 2019, so notice was provided at least 15 days prior to today's hearing. So the allegation here is a sale of tobacco products to a minor. On behalf of the store, are you prepared to admit or deny the allegation?
We would admit.
And Casey's General Store, or in this particular location, is licensed to sell tobacco products by the state of North Dakota?
Yes, it is.
And was selling tobacco products within the city of Fargo on the date in question?
Yes.
So we'll hear from the city regarding the facts, and then I'll give you an opportunity to comment after that.
Okay.
Mr. Wisher?
Your Honor, Officer Berger went to the Casey's General Store located at 4301 13th Avenue South in Fargo, North Dakota on November 21st, 2019. He was accompanied by a minor. The minor went into the store, asked the clerk for some Juul menthol pods. The cashier retrieved them from behind the counter. The minor paid for the pods and left the store.
And Mr. Wisher, are you aware of any prior offenses?
No, not within the required timeline.
So, Ms. Burbank, is that sort of your understanding of what happened?
Yes.
And were you present at the time?
No, I was not.
Okay. Anything you would like to tell me about what happened, or?
No, I think, like I said, at Casey's, we do try to train them consistently. But unfortunately, this employee decided not to ask for ID.
Sure.
And he's no longer with Casey's at this time.
Okay. Anything else you want to tell me about it?
No.
Is there any other member of the public who wishes to comment regarding this matter? Hearing none, we'll close the evidence portion of today's hearing. Based on the evidence I've heard and the admission from the store's representative, I do find that a violation occurred in this case. I do find it to be a first offense. The penalty for a first offense is twofold. One, there's a $500 administrative penalty that will need to be paid to the Fargo Cass Public Health within 30 days. And in addition, there's a warning. The store's license will be placed on a probationary period for 12 months. If there's another violation during that 12-month period, then the store's ability to license would be suspended for 3 days. 3 days on a second offense, and then there could be longer suspension if there were subsequent offenses. So I'll issue an order in that regard, and that will get out in today's mail.
Okay.
And that will take care of this matter, and because that's the only hearing, that will take care of all the matters today, so we'll go off the record. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.